Don't know if you can see, but it's actually starting to snow. But yeah, it is mountains behind.
There's nothing there, it's just fog.
So we're getting some more clothes on. We've left the bikes. As you can see, we have no idea where the road goes. We might not be able to get to Valletta now. So what we're doing is going to the top of the nearest hill and just checking. Oh look! Tim, look! Wicked. Never been so glad to see a piece of road. It's nice little red. I didn't say where we're going.
Should we get our bikes over here?
Yeah, but the last thing we want to do is get stuck up here.
Are we going to get stuck?
Depends what. It can go from being a lovely place to a friggin' shithole in about 5 seconds, and then we won't be able to get back down.
Fuck knows. I don't know what we're doing. We're going further and further away from civilization.